Welcome to Nana's. We're going to make these stamped Valentine's Day treat bags for your grandkids or anyone you love. We're going to be using a potato to stamp and also some cookie cutters. When I take the cookie cutter off the potato, it leaves that shape. I'll be using 3 colors of paint, pink, white, and red. So I put them on the foam plate and spread them around a little so I can use them for stamping. Use a paper towel to dab off the potato, then dip it into the paint and put it onto the bag. I'm going to use red for my potato stamp, and I'm going to use white and pink for the 2 different cookie cutter shapes that I have. Sometimes I like to splatter a little bit of paint on the bags also, or drip it. I don't mind if the paint drips a little bit as I'm doing the stamps either. I think it makes a fun effect. You can spatter paint with an old toothbrush. You just put the toothbrush into the paint and then kind of flick it with your thumb as you're going over the bag. When the paint is dry, write your friendship or I love you message on your bag. And fill it full of candy. Finish by stapling or tying a ribbon at the top. I'm making one for Papa. There are lots more ideas on Valentine's Day crafts at welcometonanas.com. Come join the fun. Happy Valentine's Day!